Do you know that who's the star in Gajni by any chance?
Right?
It's Imran Khan.
Saif.
He says Saif Ali Khan. Rajesh Sharma feels it's Shah Rukh Khan. I believe Namit Das feels
all
it's
the Khans except
All the
Salman
Khans
Khan.
except Imran, so I named him.
मैं क्या ढूंढ रहा था and then you say रहने दो अगले साल try करेंगे. What exactly is happening over there?
Yes. I'm searching for a cap.
अच्छा,
Cap.
For a cap, for some reason, the censor boards had a problem with.
Just enjoy the entire Punjabi bit and something that totally.
And she's not just she's a hatti katti Punjabi housewife. She's also extremely colorful and
Right.
loud in every way. I did some amount of training in the Punjabi accent. I got it quite easily. Also because I started with the gullies, the right thing to start learning any language with.
Right. Imran Hashmi, how do you react that when someone tells you that कल कारपेंटर कितने बजे बुलवाऊं, इतनी तैयारी के लिए कुछ और कुछ तोड़ोगे भी नहीं? What exactly मतलब क्या आप लोग तोड़ रहे हैं मतलब? What exactly?
Things that are broken could be constructive, and that is what she wants to
creative.
break. I know Altaf says that it's not his comeback,
Right.
but the kind of the way he sung it, and you know the way it's shot and the way the song is, I think. I
But you know,
love the
you
track.
have to credit Amit Trivedi with doing the unusual.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Vidya Balan,
Hi, this is Imran Hashmi,
and you're watching the Ghanchakkar special.
only on Bollywood Hungama.
Well, we have with us the team of Ghanchakkar, Vidya Balan and Imran Hashmi on Bollywood Hungama. Wonderful to have you guys back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank
you.
you.
And finally, now, do you know that who's the star in Gajni by any chance?
Gajni, we're still trying to figure it out. I've had a huge memory lapse.
I think
और
it's
मुझे पता नहीं है.
Imran Khan, right?
It's
नहीं,
Imran Khan.
Saif.
He says Saif Ali Khan. Rajesh Sharma feels it's Shah Rukh Khan. I believe Namit Das feels
all
it's
the Khans except
All the
Salman
Khans
Khan.
except Imran, so I
Salman?
named him.
Salman?
Salman's
Right.
name is also in it.
Right,
Except Amir.
Right.
Everyone's been named.
right.
तना गजनी का सलमान खान
शाहरुख गजनी में शाहरुख खान था सलमान खान
साले बंदर इतना भी पता नहीं है गजनी में सैफ अली खान था ये लो
But do you feel that maybe your director has a Gajni hangover, because I think it's been celebrated in quite a big way, and you I think
I
fit
think
the picture. It's
no,
like Gajni Part 2 in a way.
I think it's a very intelligent
Right.
way of integrating it with our film as a dialogue in the promotional campaign, because
Right.
memory loss being a huge part of the situational comedy angle in our film,
Right.
and what better way to kind of connect it with the audience with a film that has kind of epitomized the fact that amnesia and
Yeah.
Alzheimer's, whatever. So I think it's a nice link, and they've brought it in very nicely in the promotions and stuff.
Okay, and you're playing the typical Punjabi housewife, and somewhere a few of your dialogues, I think they're very interesting. That when the entire
Dash,
forgetting
dash,
part,
dash.
मैं क्या ढूंढ रहा था, and then you say रहने दो अगले साल try करेंगे. What exactly is happening over there?
Yes.
मिला
मैं क्या ढूंढ रहा था
टोपी रहने दो अगले साल ट्राई करेंगे. That's how forgetful my husband Sanju is
Right.
in Ghanchakkar.
Right.
But he's asking how.
What
to
exactly
get to
are you
that.
searching for?
What are you searching for?
You must be
Topi.
searching for.
I'm searching for a cap.
अच्छा,
Cap.
you're searching for a cap.
For a cap, for some reason, the censor boards had a problem with. He said, don't
Yeah.
keep cap there.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Why?
That's in the television promos, but in the
But
theatrical it's there.
Please, if you
Right.
want to see the thing about the cap, then you can see YouTube, I guess.
Yeah, YouTube the promo.
Check it out on YouTube. You'll know what the cap is.
Great. So just enjoy the entire Punjabi bit and something that
absolutely.
totally.
And she's not just she's a hatti katti Punjabi housewife. She's also extremely colorful and
Right.
loud in every way.
Right.
So I did some amount of training in the Punjabi accent.
Right.
There's this writer Sumit who helped me with it. I got it quite easily. Also because I started with the gullies, the right thing to start learning any language with.
Right.
But you know, this entire she's so over the top. She's coordinating every single element of her look, from her hair accessories to her earrings and her chashma and the shoes. Everything is so well coordinated. Basically, she's a housewife who's entertaining herself by looking at fashion magazines and saying,
Right.
अब तो ये पहनना पड़ेगा, पर मैं ऐसे नहीं पहनूंगी, इसके साथ कुछ और कॉम्बिनेशन खुद का बनाऊंगी.
Right. Right.
So she's obviously got a budget because they're middle class. So she will not go into a mall and buy clothes, or she cannot afford designer clothes. तो मामूली कपड़े लेके दर्जी के पास से ये फैशनेबल कपड़े सिलाती है और यही सब कुछ हो जाता है. Even
Right.
today I'm in costume.
No, fantastic, fantastic. In fact. Okay, and I wouldn't really go into the entire Khan bit because I'm sure that even you must be bored of it, answering the same question again and again because I think you looked wonderful
Thank
from
you.
whatever we saw it. But okay, and Imran Hashmi, how do you react that when someone tells you that कल कारपेंटर कितने बजे बुलवाऊं, इतनी तैयारी के लिए कुछ और कुछ तोड़ोगे भी नहीं? What exactly मतलब क्या आप लोग तोड़ रहे हैं मतलब? What exactly?
कल कारपेंटर का बुलाऊं,
कारपेंटर?
इतनी तैयारी की है और पलंग तोड़ोगी भी नहीं.
You know, in the film, Neetu actually breaks a lot of things.
Right.
There's always this powwow between the husband and wife.
Right,
And they can't
right.
see eye to eye on many things, or
Right.
nothing actually.
Right.
It's probably how some marriages get after 5 to 10 years.
Except
Where-
in one area.
Yeah, except in one area,
Right.
where things that are broken could be constructive, and that is what she
Or
wants to
creative.
break. Or you know, the
Creatively
creaking,
utilized.
the creaking,
Creatively
the
utilized.
creaking leads to breaking, and then eventually you have to call the carpenter and fix it.
Right.
So yeah, I think that's something that we have to do precautionary.
And any real life
measures.
incidents came to your mind when you just heard this?
Real life incidents all the time, all the time. Quite a few actually.
Right.
Yeah. Then I realized that it's not very, it's not convenient to keep 4 legs to the bed. You should just keep it on.
Right. Maybe not have the legs
Have
at
a
all.
floating bed.
Or maybe not have the legs.
The floor
legs
is
at all.
always good. The floor is a good option.
Floor is better.
Yeah, yeah.
Floor is better.
Dining tables.
It's just
floors,
safer, no?
Right.
Dining tables can take a lot of load actually. You'd be surprised.
It depends on what kind of dining
Yeah,
table.
yeah.
Actually, the
Right.
kitchen platform.
Yeah, it's granite. It is
Right.
granite. It can't be wood. Wood is a problem.
You can write a book on this now.
I can, yes. After 10
Seriously.
years of doing films like that, I
Right,
think it's become
In fact, there's a
part of my system.
the lyrics of I think Jholu Ram, that always surrounded by women, wine and money.
wine and-
You will never find me lonely. What to do, ladies and gentlemen? My image is like that
this,
only.
like that only, yes.
So,
I love the way he sang it.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of
Altaf
Altaf
Raja.
Raja.
राम पधारे करे कल्याण सदारे.
I remember in the 90s, I was in college and you know his track had become like almost
Tum
a
to
cult
Thehre
track.
Pardesi.
Right.
Everyone used to hear it. He used
Right.
to play in cars and it was like a bizarre but really catchy song.
Right.
So yeah, his Amitabh's lyrics with Altaf's voice and a huge comeback for him. I know Altaf says that it's not his comeback,
Right.
but the kind of the way he sung it and you know the way it's shot and the way the song is, I think I
But
love
you know,
the
you
track.
have to credit Amit Trivedi with doing the unusual.
Yeah,
How he brought back Altaf Raja in a song like Jholu Ram.
Yeah.
You know, because typically I don't know if it required an Altaf Raja, but it's got a completely different hue because it's got him.
right.
No, I would imagine because he almost in the 90s he became like the voice of the masses.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
like every man in the street knew Altaf Raja's song Pardesi and everyone was singing it.
You know-
so for this film, I think this track he was like I guess the apt
In
person to take.
trains,
Ji.
those beggars used to sing it. In rickshaws, only that used to be playing. In cars, people used to play.
No,
it.
absolutely.
So it cut
It was a-
across
Yeah.
all
Right.
age groups, all
But that
sections of
album had
society.
sold more than a crore
It's amazing.
cassettes at that point of time. That was like amazing.